Hello. Today we will learn about how to save a file, an image for web. And we will first open an image that we think it's cute. And we will change this image a little bit. In this case, we will do adjustments to black and white and auto for give it to grayscale. For adjustment to black and white, you can check out my previous video and apply a tint and make it pretty. Then we will export it for the website and choose File, Export, Save for the web. And first, there's a category says Optimize, and there's a few formats. GIF, graphics interchange format is most often used. Then there's PNG, portable network graphics, for lossless quality. PNG 8 supports 256 colors and it's smaller in image size, and PNG 24 supports more color. It's bigger in image size for lossless image format. And in this case, we will choose PNG 8, and 2up is displays two versions of image side by side. One is originals, one is optimized image. And to view the image, there's a percentage, so you can just change to say like 50% to make the image smaller to view the image. And we will name this name this image. Then you can find it in the folder, and now you can upload the image to website. Thank you for watching this tutorial.